like this paniculata hydrangea here, which is finished, but it looks like it's still flowering. They're very good at sort of doing that, hydrangeas. And then here, these hesperanthias, really nice, very easy to grow, and they just flower all through the autumn. So they're kind of a good thing for lots of splashes of colour. But around this whole lawn, it's just like an interest and lots of things going on, and of course lots of shelter and really nice places to sit, and loads of different choices going out all over the place. There's one here, a couple going off over there, and then other ones going down over there. So you everywhere you go, you're sort of greeted with a multitude of choices. A lot of these Roscoea. This one's Roscoea purpurea. These come from the sort of Himalayas area, and the little herbaceous clump spreading plants that grow a little bit like ginger, but they have these very exotic sort of flowers that look a bit sort of orchid-like, and they like sort of semi-shade, and they have quite a lot of them, and they do look kind of unusual. And they've got a skimia with white berries, which looks kind of interesting. Here this is Camellia transnochiensis, and it's just starting to get ready to flower. You can see the little buds all swelling. If you just zoom into there, and then they come out as little tiny white flowers, like little miniature camellia flowers. I've done quite a few films of this, and it comes from Taiwan, mountainous parts of Taiwan. It's just like a little camellia. You can see it's like the leaves are like camellia, everything's like camellia, it's just in kind of miniature. And it flowers for an incredibly long time. But it's, start flowering maybe October, November, and then it will carry on flowering right up until kind of late April. And it's going to be kind of unusual. You don't normally see it in gardens. But this is one of the most fascinating little plants in here. Another fantastic clump of colchicum here, and the first of the primulas to start coming out here. And a lot of primulas do start flowering in the autumn, including the wild primroses. They just sort of start throwing up a few in the autumn if conditions are right, and then sort of they put on the main flower in the spring, but they do have little dribs and drabs through the autumn. And there's the first one coming out. And then here, big clump of Begonia. They've got quite a lot of different ones of these, and some of them start in the late autumn, and some of them in the winter, and a few of them through the spring. So they have quite a lot of those. They should be out soon. And then over here, a different darker type of colchicum, which looks really nice.